How to cancel one-click pay on Temu. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open up a web browser and go to temu.com. Once you have done that, make sure you have logged into your account. After that, tap on the profile icon and now tap on settings. Once you're here, tap on your payment methods. If you have enabled the one-click pay method on your account, then you're going to find that option here. As you can see, I have not done that, so there's no option here. But if you have it, then to disable it, just select the Features tab and tap on any type of embed saying cancel or disable and confirm the action. After that, your one-click pay will be disabled. But you have to know that if your account is new, you will have to contact their help center to disable it. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.